And there it is. We are recording, and I look crazy. I am about to do something that I still don't think I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna crap out halfway. It's gonna be a long walk, and I don't think I'm capable of doing it. And they better be open because it says that they're open. So let's take a look out here. If you see here, it says a 29-minute walk. So we should get there around 2:30. What's up, my brother?
Hey, what's up? I saw you out here earlier. You gotta go in?
What do you mean, in?
Work.
No, I'm close.
Lucky you. They called me to see if I was gonna come in tonight. I told them I'll help. I gotta see if I can dig myself out. I didn't want to promise something I can't do.
Yeah, I'm taking a
Early in the day.
I'm taking a long I'm doing an activity right now. I'm going on a 30-minute walk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I wish I can go with you. Let me get this thing out. Where you going, over to the lake?
Nah, to the dispensary in Little Ferry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have a blessed day, okay?
All right, you too. You have a blessed one.
All right, my brother.
All right. You gonna be able to pull yours out?
Huh?
You gonna be able to pull yours out?
Not until they clean that.
Oh, okay.
Like the,
Come through.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they gotta come through the truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I can't get out of there, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, bud.
All right, bud. Make sure my GoPro is on point, y'all. I should put it on my phone. 4:15. One-mile walk in this blizzard. It says we'll get there at 2:28. Let's see. Right now, it's 2:04. Is my GoPro not recording no more? GoPro, you're not recording no more? I gotta make sure my GoPro's recording, yo. I don't think it is. It is. It is recording. Okay. Might do a little running too, you know? Let's go. Let's pick up the pace. Let's try to get there before 2:30. Got a long way to go. People ordering Domino's, they coming through like that? Can't take having a car for granted, I'll tell you that much. The streets are not bad though. My Tesla could drive in these streets. Pick up the pace a little bit. Alright, it's highway timing. Pick up the pace, let's go. Gotta get there before 2:30 or 2:28. People gonna think I'm dedicated running out here. They don't know I'm looking for that medicine. As you see, I'm not in the best of shape. No turning back now. You gotta keep going, man. Oh, you gotta keep going, man. My shoelaces, no. Not my shoelaces. Man, that Corvette look clean. I gotta go on the back on the highway. No retreat, no surrender. Come on. People think I'm dedicated. Look at this guy. The dedication. Even in the blizzard, he's out here running. I haven't seen one cop fuck around and stop me. Let me get a ride. No good Samaritans around here, you know? Way back, you open way back? Ain't nobody trying to eat that today? I can see the finish line, I think. see the sign. Beyond, hello. Please be open. Don't tell me I did this for nothing. Some people might think I'm just crazy, not dedicated. Oh, it don't look like they're open. I did this for nothing. It says open. Not one card in sight. No one has entered the premises. It does not look like they're open. It says open. It does not look like they're open. Oh no. Lights out. They are not open.
Be sure to check out our Hello Club rewards program at beyond-hello-club/Hello Club. For directions and hours of operation, press 1. For general questions, press 2. This call may be recorded for quality assurance and training purposes. Please use the user to find the information on the product. We are informative progress. Press 1 for satisfied. Press 2 for dissatisfied. Thank you. Thank you.
They're not open. I was told they were. Great.